Hi, time for math. Okay, so if you are listening to this, you are going to log into Pearson after this to get to 11-1 practice buddy. So I'm just going to walk you through one question. It has many parts. Your question might be the same as mine. It might be different. I have my notebook and pencil here always because I have to jot down some work. So your whiteboard, whatever you need. So use the line plot to answer questions 6 through 10. It says click the icon to view the line plot. So you're going to have to click back and forth. So our line plot shows times for the 50-meter swim, and they are swam in seconds. So all of these numbers are seconds. I'm looking, my number line goes from 30 to 32 and 2/4. So my largest time is 32 and 2/4. However, no one ran it in that many seconds. So my largest time, or my longest time, is 32 and 1/4, and my shortest time is 30 and 1/4. So I'm just kind of getting myself familiar with the line plot before I answer questions. So the first question says, how many swimmers swam the 50-meter swim? How do I figure that out? I have to count the dots carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And I would double check. I'm not going to do it in the video to waste your time, but I would count twice. And then check answer. Awesome. Okay, which time was the most common? Let me click it again. So which was the most common? Which had the most amount of dots? 30 and 3/4 of a second was the most common. So I'm going to find my mixed numbers symbol, and I'm going to type in 30 and 3/4. Check my answer. Nice. Okay, what is the difference between the fastest swim and the slowest swim? When it asks you to find the difference, remember you are subtracting. So the fastest swim and the slowest swim. So my fastest swim was 32 and 1/4 of a second. My slowest swim was 30 and 1/4 of a second. So I am going to show you how I would solve that. 32 and 1/4 minus 30 and 1/4, because I'm finding the difference. So if I subtract my fractions, 1/4 minus 1/4, well, 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have nothing left. And 32 minus 2 is 2. Hold on a second. I just want to make sure I put that right. 32 and 1/4. Yep. Okay. So my answer is 2. 2 seconds. Good. Okay. Let me erase this. Okay. How many more swimmers swam the 50-meter swim in 31 seconds than in 30 and 2/4 of a second? Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can quickly figure this out. So the question is, how many more swimmers swam in 31 seconds than in 30 and 2/4? Okay, 31 seconds has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. 30 and 2/4 has 4 dots. I'm sorry, 2 dots. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 more people ran it in 31 seconds. So 3 swimmers. Check. Nice. Okay, and then down here, Bianca said that more than half the swimmers swam 50 meters in less than 31 seconds. Is she correct? Well, if we go back up here, there were 22 in all. So half of 22 would be 11. So there would have to be more than 11 dots in less than 31 seconds. So let's see. Here's 31. So let's count how many dots are less than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not quite half or more than half. So Bianca is incorrect. In all, 10 swimmers swam the 50 meters in less than 31 seconds. That is less than half the swimmers. Check answer. Awesome. And then once it doesn't prompt you to keep going, you click next. Okay, so lots of parts. Take your time, get your whiteboard. You're going to need it. Get your notebook, however it is that you do it. If you want to use an online notebook, I don't know. You decide, but show your work on something. Good luck. I'm here if you need me.